review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Okay.
And have you received all the discovery?
Because we are missing some possible jail call, a disc that may have jail calls on it. I've discussed that with my client, that it could be material and relevant, but she insists on going forward today without that.
All right. Ms. Moses, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Oh, I'm sorry. You've already been sworn in by the clerk.
Oh, that's fine.
Yes. So you understand that there are jail calls that I am assuming the state is alleging that there are jail calls that you made. You understand that?
Yeah.
You understand that your attorney hasn't had a chance to review those?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't have a way to get here. So if you're going to reset it for 3 days, that's not going to.
Hold up. Possible jail calls missing? That's like walking into a boxing match blindfolded. The defense is basically saying, we'll fight anyway. Risky move or just desperation?
It's not going to, I'm not going to be able to make it. So I'm just going to have to take it. And
No, we can always do this by Zoom.
can we please?
All right. So we can, what I'll do is I'll call this by Zoom. When will you be able to review the records, counsel?
So, Judge, we looked at the disc and there was something wrong with them as far as I can tell. Nothing may have been burned on there. So I had to get in contact with them to see what happened there.
So the problem, Judge, is that the disc that they have, apparently there are jail calls because the police report's all about these jail calls and investigation and everything. But the disc that they have that the jail calls are supposed to be on doesn't have anything on it.
As far as we can tell.
Okay.
So
So,
we would need time for him to contact, I think, the police officers so that they can give us the proper jail calls.
okay. So when would you be able to have this?
Possibly a week or two, Judge.
Okay. So if I recall this for 3 weeks, will you have it?
That should be enough time.
Okay. Ms. Fergus, can I have a 3-week reset on this case?
And here's the twist. The disc with supposed jail calls is blank. Imagine prepping for a trial and your evidence is just a shiny coaster. Someone's got explaining to do.
Case, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
February 7th.
All right. We're going to come back on February 7th. And of course, I hate to put people on the spot, and we're not on the record after this. We're off the record now. I hate to put anybody on the spot, but State, is this going to change your offer?
No, Judge.
Okay. So it may result in, I don't know, the defense doing something different, I guess, depending on what's on the disc. But I just wanted to make sure, because I didn't want her to have it by Zoom and then say, we're in jury trial, she needs to be here.
No, Judge. It would be the same.
Okay. All right. So Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form, and Ms. Ferguson, the defendant, can appear by Zoom.
February 7th. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes. All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 6148, State of Texas versus Nicole Moses. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
for the defense?
Karen Corby, Your Honor.
And are you Nicole Moses?
Yes, ma'am, this is Nicole Moses.
I cannot hear you.
Yes, ma'am, this is Nicole Moses.
The screen is out.
Still can't hear me?
There's an issue with her volume.
It's working earlier. Can you ask for the unmute?
She is unmuted.
Can you hear me now?
No, we can hear you now. Are you on a iPhone or Android?
Android.
Oh, an Android? Why do people do that to me? Because then I should know the Android issue. All right, so on your Android, I believe if you go to settings, all right, and there should be something for the volume for the Zoom. Do you see that? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mute you, and then I'm going to ask you to unmute. Maybe it'll pop up for you then. So she's working on it.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate
Sure.
your patience and your skill at troubleshooting.
Ah, okay.
Can you hear me now?
That's
No.
not what I'm saying.
Do you see a speaker icon? Just tap on it.
I see, Mike. I don't see a
All right,
speaker.
let's do this. Ms. Ball, what I wanted you to do then, just log out and log back in, and then everything should pop up on your screen when you do that. All right, so she's going to do that. As soon as she does that, we'll take your matter up.
Did you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
All right, do you see the speaker icon on your phone? If you'll tap it.
Are you there?
And then, do you see on your phone where it has the what looks like the headphones? If you tap on that, I ask you whether or not you want to have this dialed.
Zoom court strikes again. Nothing says 21st century justice like a felony case derailed by an Android audio glitch. Question for you guys. Should courts even allow serious cases to go down over Zoom?
In or over the internet.
Still not doing anything. Okay? No, nothing?
No, that's not on. I'm going to send you something in the chat. Hi. But it's not working for her.
So alternative, can't get it worse.
Is it still nothing?
She's going to have to come in. So I'll put you all in the breakout room, and if you want to go to the break.
I don't know what's wrong with you, because I'm able to communicate with her on my Android, but
All right, let's do this.
try to get
Okay.
the internet.
Can't
Let
hear
me
me?
ask you this. Can you call her by phone?
Yes.
You can't hear me?
And we can put her on speakerphone if nobody has any objection, and we can proceed that way.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, but she'll still need to have her video on.
Okay. That's all.
You can't hear me? Nobody can hear me?
Get her something to put on. We're in court. A phone, and we'll do it that way.
She's here. She's here. Put it right here.
Yes. All right, Ms. Ball, could you say something so we can make sure we can hear you?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, court is calling 2022 CR 6148, State of Texas versus Nicole Moses. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Deputy Police, on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
for the defense?
Sharon Corby, Your Honor.
All right, and are you Ms. Ball?
Yes, ma'am. This is Nicole Moses Bole.
All right, so she is by Zoom. Any objections to this hearing taking place by Zoom for Ms. Ball, state
No, Your Honor.
defense?
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Ball, do you have any objection to appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right, and there is something wrong with the court's audio, so Ms. Ball's video is appearing, but her sound is coming from defense counsel's phone. Any objections to proceeding that way, state?
No, Your Honor.
Defense.
No, Your Honor.
Ms. Ball, any objection to proceeding that way?
No, ma'am.
All right, defense, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Ball, did you sign a document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
You are, Your Honor.
Ms. Bole, I'm showing, well, all of the documents just say Nicole Moses. Is that the name?
Yes, I have all the Nicole Moses Bole. So Moses is my name before I got divorced, and then Boyle is my ex-husband's name. I kept it for my kids.
Okay. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with theft, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in a state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your agreement. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the
Here's where it gets real. Nicole is facing theft charges for swiping catalytic converters off school buses. Yeah, school buses. That's not just theft. That's messing with kids' rides to class.
court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in a state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Moses Bole, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Independent school district facilities. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, the stated states exhibit number 1 and all of its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just ask you to follow the plea bargain, Your Honor.
All right, and is she in Bexar County? Are you in Bexar County?
I'm in Guadalupe County right now, ma'am.
All right, are you able to supervise out of Guadalupe County?
Your Honor, we can do virtual visits in the court orders.
Okay,
We have a virtual officer.
okay.
You can virtual visit.
All right, so Ms. Moses Ball, my understanding is catalytic converters are very expensive. And so they're saying you took 16 off of the school buses.
Okay.
So how long did it take you to take off 1?
I didn't take them off. I was pregnant and not there. So I don't understand why I'm the only one getting in trouble for this. But
Do you want a jury trial?
I wasn't there.
You want a jury trial?
No, let's just do this the easiest way.
Well, I mean, because they have you listed, Chad Anua and Moses Ball as stealing catalytic converters from the bus barn. So are you employed?
No, ma'am.
All right. So what are you occupying your time with there? Because it appears that you're not paying attention.
I'm enrolling in college.
Well,
right
you need
now
to you need to enroll in this Zoom.
And boom, the defendant insists she was pregnant and nowhere near the crime scene. Classic courtroom moment, when someone's story doesn't line up with the state's version. Jury trial material or plea deal bait.
And pay 100% attention here, because you may end up enrolling in prison. So you need to pay attention to what's going on here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So are you employed?
No, ma'am.
So how are you supporting yourself?
Right now, I'm staying with my mother, and she's helping me. I just had a baby. She's almost a year old now. I'm fixing to enroll in school. I've already done my FAFSA and everything, so I'll be attending school shortly. And I plan to get a job at home on the computer.
All right. The court requires everyone here to have employment. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. 150 hours community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to want parenting classes. Once you complete parenting classes, the remaining of those hours to be waived. There's to be regular reporting.
The judge isn't playing. 4 years deferred adjudication, community service, restitution, parenting classes, employment checks. It's like probation plus homework. But hey, it beats prison.
By Zoom or in person. There's to be no contact with Chad Ancona, Ancona, Moses Bole, the Northside Independent School District. There should be regular UAs, proof of employment,